Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a gel polish ombre, and I've picked out these three colours and these three tips. So let's get into the video. Let's get started. So I'm going to put down a base first because I'm doing like a French ombre, which will be probably your most requested, I would have thought. If it's not, then my apologies, but actually it's easier to not do a French ombre. It's probably one of the harder ones to do. This is a base that I'm just putting down now, this base colour. If you were to do two similar colour ombre, then that's easier than doing this. So I like to put down a base colour first. So I'm going to do that on all of the nails for each of these colours that I've got out. And that's those going to go in the lamp. And then I'm going to give that a wipe with some isopropyl alcohol and get rid of that tacky layer. And then I've got some alcohol on a wipe there in a dappen dish, not a dappen dish, on just a tray. Here's my ombre brush. And I'm going to use this colour by Lavender Violets, D114. So we're going to take this nude again and put it sort of like halfway down the nail, if not a little bit further. It's hard to see on here, but whereabouts you want your ombre to start. And then we're going to take the other colour, the pink. I'm going to butt it up to that wet layer of nude, but don't touch. If you do touch, wipe your brush before you put it back in the bottle. And then we're going to take our ombre brush and we're going to very lightly, on this one I've got different techniques. Like this one I blended it this way first, just like dabbing it to blend it a little bit. I didn't do this on the rest of the nails because I'm just showing you different techniques of how you can do it. So I'm gently just tapping, wiping that off, making sure that that is all off there, flattening the brush back out again, and then I'm going to sweep from side to side very gently to blend it, going up and down, up and down. And then if you feel like you need more pink, you come up from the pink area up into the nude, and vice versa. Bring the nude down into the pink if you feel it needs more. And you know, you just keep going really until you're happy with the blend. Now, the first blend is never the greatest, and usually you have to do 2 coats, if not 3, depending on what colours you're using and how happy you are with your blend. Try your best to blend it as much as you can because it will make the other coats easier. So I'm wiping that back off and I'm going to go back in again and blend it some more where I think it needs. See, look, I thought that nude needed to come down a little bit more, so I've just blended that some more. And I felt like the lines on the pink were a bit harsh, so I blended that again some more as well. And I'm pulling down that nude again to get a more even blend, which it is now. So that's better. It's a better transition there. Happy with that now. And that's going in the lamp. So that's it out now. I'm going to wipe the tacky layer off and we're going to do the exact same thing again. taking that nude down just past where the blend has started, and then again with the pink. I didn't put enough of the nude. Yeah. So taking my brush, making sure it's flat, and I'm just going to do the same sweeping motion from side to side and blend it. Obviously you've already got a coat of colour and of the blend underneath, so that helps with the next layer to make it look more even, and it just gives a better finish. Obviously, you know, with using an ombre brush, sometimes you can see lines of brush strokes and things, but don't worry, it all comes together at the end with the top coat. So as long as you've done your best with the blend, the top coat pulls it all together. And I've got a couple of tips at the end, you know, as to what to do with your top coat, and some things that if you're not completely happy with the blend, then you can disguise it slightly, but you'll see at the end of the video what I advise for something like that. And we're just bringing that down a bit more because I felt that that needed to be more blended. And then that's going in the lamp. So this is the next nail, guys. I've already obviously base coated it, and I'm going in now with my first half of the nail of the nude. And my next colour that I've chosen is Lavender Violets D134, and it is a lilac colour. I just chose 3 random colours that I thought that you might like to see used. Some of them are more pigmented than others. So I just wanted, you know, I didn't want to just choose pink because it's being blended with like a light pink. I wanted to show you different ones. So I'm not going to talk you through this ombre because obviously I've already talked you through the first one, and I'm just going to let you watch. You see this colour's blended a lot better than the pink because the pink was obviously a lot brighter for a colour. This one's more pastel-y. That's why it's blending better, and that's why I wanted to show you the difference in the types of colours that you've got that you can work with. So my next one I'm using is D127, which is a nice green, again from Lavender Violets. So in with my nude colour and then butting up to the edge with my green colour. And again, I'll let you watch. Oh, we got a hair. Sorry for my constant sniffles. My kids have brought home a cold from school. I've got a sore throat and I'm all bunged up. Kids are always bringing home colds, aren't they, from school? This one also blends a lot nicer than the pink. So that's going in the lamp. That's my chair creaking, not my bottom. Just an FYI. Coat number 2. Quite a nice blend, this one, I think. Okay, evenly that one's blended. Happy with that one, so that's going in the lamp. So here I've got 3 different top coats that I will use. Here's my tips. Now the pink one wasn't blended as well, so I'm going to use this one, Hocus Pocus by Nailchemy. It is a holographic top coat. You can't really see the hollow on the video, but I find that with an ombre, it blends it and disguises the lack of blend, if you like, quite nicely. So if you can convince your customer to have like a light shimmer top coat, it doesn't need to be as shimmery as this one. It can be, because this one's hollow, so it's got lots of colours in, so you could just like have a normal silver one or something very, very delicate. I just find that it's a bit of a hack when it comes to doing an ombre, because look, you can't even see the lines and stuff anymore, and it looks like a flawless blend now. So that's going in the lamp. This next one, I decided to use a matte so that you could see what the difference looked like with the matte. Again, this one was my second favourite, least favourite. So matte can also make them look a nice blend also. So that's another trick. You could matte and then top coat with clear, with shiny if you wanted. So that's going in. And then this last one I thought had a better blend, so this one's just going to be a straightforward shiny top coat. It does, I mean, you know, all of the top coats even out the lines, that you can't see the lines once you've top coated them anyway, so you don't need to panic too much about that. That's going in the lamp. So there they all are, guys. I hope you like those hints and tips. I know a lot of people struggle with gel polish ombre, so that's why I thought I'd cover it here. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up and comment down below what you'd like to see in the future, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. Hope you enjoyed. Bye bye.